In this video we'll show you how to use the calibration feature. It helps you manually adjust temperature sensors for accurate readings. To set the temperature manually, start by opening the RTCt calibration screen. Once you're there, press the Set Temperature option. You can now enter a new value using the numeric keys or simply choose one from the preset values listed under Presets. After selecting your desired temperature, press the Enter button to confirm. The system will then return to the main calibration screen, ready for the next step. To begin the storage process, press the Temperature Storage button. This activates the Prepare for Storage function. On the screen, you'll see the status of the Dehumidify option. If it's enabled, the calibrator will first heat up to 105 degrees Celsius to remove any moisture. Once that's done, it will automatically cool down to the storage temperature you've set. To switch off the temperature controller, press the Temperature Control button. Calibration will start only when the user sets the temperature in normal calibration mode or initiates an automated test. To save a temperature as a preset, begin by entering your desired value using the numeric keypad. Next, press the Save key. The presets list will become editable, highlighted in blue. Now choose any field in the list to store your new temperature, even if it already contains a predefined value. Press the True button. Select the sensor type. The internal reference source uses the calibrator's own built-in stability criteria for calibration, while the external reference source relies on an intelligent sensor connected to the device to provide true values and calibration data. Slide the Convert to Temperature button to the right to make the stability fields visible. When activated, the external reference readout is shown as temperature. When not activated, it is displayed in ohm values. The Set Follows True function helps the calibrator match the true temperature measured by the external reference sensor. Simply activate it by sliding the button to the right. When this function is on, the calibrator adjusts to the true temperature, which may take longer to stabilize. This feature is only available when the external reference sensor is displayed in temperature units. You can set the stability tolerance as low as plus or minus 0.001 degrees. A lower tolerance takes advantage of the calibrator's excellent stability, but it will also increase the time needed to reach stability. Stability time can be set in whole minutes, from 1 to 99. When the true temperature stays within the specified stability tolerance for the set stability time, the stability indicator on the calibration screen will turn green. Press CH1 or CH2, either on the calibration screen or in the sensor setup menu. Choose the SUT sensor type. Thermocouple sensors. Convert to temperature. When this function is activated, inputs are converted into temperature. If it's not activated, no conversion takes place. Models. In thermocouple sensors, the models are KNR, STUBLE and J. Cold junction compensation. In auto mode, the calibrator measures the connector temperature for cold junction compensation. In manual mode, you can set a fixed temperature when an external reference is available. Cold junction temperature. When manually cold junction compensation is selected, you can set the temperature using the numeric keys. Use stability criteria. When activated, stability is checked on both the reference sensor and the sensor under test. If not activated, only the reference sensor is monitored for stability. Stability tolerance. Set the stability tolerance using the numeric keys, with values as precise as plus or minus 0.001 degrees. Consider the expected performance of the sensor under test before choosing the tolerance. Stability time. Set the stability time using the numeric keys. You can choose a duration from 1 to 99 minutes. Voltage sensors. Convert to temperature. When this function is activated, inputs are converted into temperature. If it's not activated, no conversion takes place. Voltage and temperature span. Set the minimum and maximum values for voltage and the corresponding temperature using the numeric keys. Current sensors. Current and temperature span. Set the minimum and maximum values for current and temperature using the numeric keys. These define the span for calibration or measurement. RTD sensors. Model. In RTD sensors, the models are P100-9385, P1000-9385, .100 mil, YSI 400, M100, 90-428, and more. Number of wires. Select the number of wires used for the sensor under test. Choose between 2, 3, or 4 wires.